Hi friends, today I am gonna unbox the Nokia 3.1 smartphone. The original price is 13,900 and you will get it from Amazon for only 7,029 rupees. The configuration is Android V8 Oreo operating system with 1.5 GHz MT6750N quad-core processor, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal memory expandable up to 128 GB and dual SIM dual standby, both slots are 4 grams. This cell phone comes with a 13MP primary camera and 8MP front-facing camera. The screen is 13.208 centimeters, 5.2-inch, capacitive touchscreen with 1280 by 720 pixels resolution. Battery is 2990 mAh lithium-ion battery. You will get a 1-year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for inbox accessories including batteries from the date of purchase. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications.